Hopefully everybody had an awesome weekend. I had some fun. We can easily go into that, but work time now. So the market is still on a little bit of crack. Now, SPY is still hanging out above 410. That's going to be a key level over here, that 410. We're honestly just chilling at this 200 EMA on the 5-minute here, which is very similar to what we did on Friday before we kind of came down, retested it, and then boom. Now, again, since it's a Monday, we kind of have to wait for like the new almost theme of the week to see if it like where the market's going to kind of trend. We do have a lot of earnings this week. So that's going to be interesting as well. I can pull up that earnings calendar really quickly. There's still a lot of companies. My baby's reporting tomorrow. AMD, love her. Let's see. So AMD is so before open tomorrow or after close today, we got Activision and Pinterest. Activision probably still has that deal cooking with Microsoft, so no real guidance probably coming there. Pinterest maybe. We got Uber before open tomorrow. We got BP, JetBlue, Ferrari. After close, AMD, PayPal, Oxy, Airbnb, Starbucks. Wednesday before open, we got Under Armour, Moderna, CVS. After close, Marathon Oil, Lucid, Robinhood. Ooh. And then before open Thursday, those of you guys that have been following along, Alibaba reports before open on Thursday. So could see a little bit of volatility out with some Baba plays over here. I'm going to make Baba my bitch again this week, most likely. So we'll see. And then Amy after close Thursday, Twilio, Carvana, and then before open on Friday, we got DraftKings. So action-packed week for earnings. I mean, we also, I think, get some real estate data this week in terms of the economic data. Let me look right here. Okay, that's next week. I thought we were getting real estate. Real household debt, homeowner vacancy rate, rental vacancy rate. So we get a little real estate data on Tuesday. Jobs report Thursday, non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate on Friday. So we still got some decent economic data this week. But how's everybody doing? You guys doing good? All right, people. Again, guys, as you guys are filtering in here, since this is going to be a public stream this morning, if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button on the stream, it helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. I'd appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hey, new members, congrats. You just won the lottery. Pay attention to an SCV game. We'll teach you how to win the jackpot. Yeah, guys, if you guys did not know, we'll cover this really quickly right now since we got a bunch of you guys in here. Since it's the first of the month now, it is the best time of the month to hop in with us with 1348. We are going to be getting you guys Invictus within the next few weeks as well, too. And again, combining those two things with now it's the first of the month. So you pay as you come in, you get access to the entire month and Invictus coming in the near future. You have enough time to actually learn the strategy, get your feet under you and fully understand how to use this new algorithm. So the link is in the top of the live chat. I can throw that in here for you guys too. But yeah, let's do it. Let's get after some tickers today. Keep calling them out. And we'll just kind of keep going over what we're seeing. So SPY's slipping down below here, this 200 EMA. And yeah, again, guys, 55 plus private live streams every single month. The alerts, they're great. The curriculum, the algorithms, the community, the options data, the charts. You guys are getting a lot, and you got a lot more coming too. So get ready. Invictus isn't going to do you any good if you don't know the basics. Exactly. It's just going to make you more of what you are. Shop and Baba. What's up with Shop? I mean, I have Baba up here. Baba's bouncing a little bit in the pre-market here, but it's slowly bleeding back out. Shop's down 0.23. Market's starting to slip here a little bit. Okay, so the levels on the SPY, 408.50. Watch that before a potential pop. And then the upside target that I would have on the SPY is 416 if we were to really start ripping. Those are kind of 408.50 to 416. Tesla, Neo, and AMD. We can take a look at Tessie really quickly. Tessie was a fun one on Friday. Jesus. Oh, Tessie actually is in an interesting spot here. So it's above 900. Ooh, we've got potential upside to 936. Yeah, I was drawing some of these out last night. If you look at Tessie on the 4-hour here, it's this little move right here, this shoot up consolidation, and then sellers just coming and knock this thing right back down. So this is the little zone that we have here on Tessie. And then what was the other one? AMD. Keep calling them out, and we'll get it. Whoa, hello. Damn. Dude, if I was just going off my AMD position today, I'd just be done for the day. Be like, oh, fuck, I'm done. I don't even have to do anything. 2% on a day. Damn. All right. Yeah. So AMD's up 2.3. Nvidia's down, flat and down actually. Nice. All right. So right here, yeah, I mean, you have potential upside to 100 on AMD. Ahead of earnings tomorrow, I think you're going to see I think you could see a little earnings run up on AMD. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to replace Nvidia with AMD's chart over here. So we're going to switch this around, and then what else? Tiger. So we can put Tiger here, AMD over here. Yeah. So AMD doing this. Tiger actually looks. Tiger's on a little mission, man. I mean, if you look at Tiger on the 4-hour, let me get the trading view chart up for you guys. I have this song stuck in my head. It's so stupid. Like, so stupid. It's like such a terrible song. Like, it's just the worst song ever. And I heard it last night when I was walking around. And I hate it. But it's stuck in my head. It's called Blockchain by Moneyman. Bought a little polka dot, bought a little fee chain. You're poor now. Like, all right. So Tiger actually looks really good here on the 4-hour. Let's see. So you got the cross up on the 4-hour. You got the closing candles above the 200. 13's coming up above. You've earnings in a little while. You got this level of resistance that it's banging its head on right here. This 167.50. If it breaks that, I mean, you could. This isn't necessarily. Yeah, that could be good, man. Tiger actually looks interesting. I might have to reprise my. I've been saying this for a while. I might have to reprise my role as the Tiger King. It might be coming back soon. Again, people, hit that like button on the way. And if you guys have not already, too, sing it, share your pain. No, it's terrible. It's like he just talks about buying like shit coins, and I'm just like, oh my god. All right, yeah. So Tiger actually looks good here. So, when's earnings? It's in like a month, I think. Like Tiger's earnings, I think are in like a month. Let me look. So if they're far, I mean, the problem is I think the market's just gonna go dead soon. We'll see though. So Tiger earnings, the 17th. Oh, it's perfect, bro. The 4-hour and the earnings are lining up. I don't know. That one looks a little spicy. Boeing's are up around 4 to 5%. Boeing. This must be a deal or something. Dreamliner news. Yeah. SPY slipping down below this 200 here. Uh-oh. Roku. All right. Roku, I mean, it's not doing a whole lot here. In the pre-market, it's down 50 cents. Watch Netflix almost off of Roku. Riot. Is Bitcoin ripping or something? Down 2. AMD sharked a little here. I don't know. Let's see. Knifey, this is public live day. This is public live day, man. It's the first of the month. Best time of the month for you guys to hop in there with us in 1348 if you guys are interested. It's linked in the top of the live chat. So let's see, dude. Let's get it going here. Yeah, so we'll be on here, and then we'll be off in a little while, and then we'll come back on at 11. Then I'll have some videos out for you guys tonight. But yeah, SPY is slipping here. So let's see if we go down and touch that 408.50. So it's $1 left. So it's SPY's got another $1 to fall before it could potentially maybe bounce, but we'll see. Okay. We're going to refresh some of these charts here so we can move it around. You're betting on a slight market pullback today since I adjust the movement before moving up some more. I mean, yeah, the upside target that I have is like 416. It's basically the same. It's right around the it's not the wicks, it's the candle bodies at the top of like the last run when it consolidated and then just tanked. So that's kind of where I'm looking at it. If it breaks above there, then I'll go back and look and see where the wicks are. But this is kind of what I'm looking at here on SPY. It's like 416, 416.50 to the upside. But again, it looks like things want to melt a little bit today. The other thing that I like that I've been trading a lot of is Netflix. Yeah, Netflix coming down. So Netflix, what we have here is, I mean, you've got a lot of these couple levels of support here where it bounces. If it slips this one, this 222.50, which it looks like it wants to, you could see 219.67 below there. Where's the 1-hour? That's this. I mean, you could, yeah, that's 219 and then all the way back down to 214. So if we see a big red day, I mean, that's kind of what we're looking at. Strangle for Friday. Nah, I mean, I've been looking at some strangles, but GovX flew past the moon, the monkeypox stuff. Yeah, New York declared like the emergency with monkeypox. So don't get it, I guess. I don't know. There's not much I can tell you about the monkeypox stuff. Just don't go hanging around at the zoo. That's about it. It's on the AMC chart. It's in no man's land. Could go really either way right now. If we pull this up on the 4 hour, it's in no man's land. It could easily break down hard from here and come back down to what, like 12. In order for it to kind of, I mean, the 13 is flatlining here. So that's a decent indicator. You have RSI above its moving average. You have MACD flipping back up, but shaft trend is still signaling sell on the 4 hour. What you need is to break this 48. You want it to cross back above this 200 EMA here and then start coming back up. Other than that, though, I mean, it's in no man's land. If the market starts to come down, AME's coming down. If you look at it on the daily, you're hunting a cross down on the daily now, which is not great. I mean, you crossed up and then you blew through this level of support. I mean, MACD down, shaft trend signal and sell, RSI below its moving average, but again, RSI is right in the middle here. So on the daily, it's really in no man's land. On the 4 hour, it does have a little potential to pop, but the 200s at 1452 or at 1438. Continuing to close above the 200 EMA would be good. We talked about this in every single video, though. It's not doing anything right now. Zero. We have earnings coming up later this week, so it's possible that we see a little bit of an earnings run up. But again, in order to continue that run, well, you need to see like good earnings, whatever. If Adamir is going to announce whatever his pounce is on earnings, then hopefully a continued move. But we'll see. Facebook. Yeah, we can look at Facebook, buddy. We haven't looked at Facebook yet. This thing looks in no man's land too. It's about to cross down in the pre-market. Yeah. So SPY bounced here right at 409. It got a nice little bounce. I think today's really going to be a wait and see day. It could just be like last Monday and Tuesday where it was scalp days, where it was like, be very careful, quick in and outs, get your 5-10% and get the fuck out. That could be what it is today. Talk about how far out expiration should be based on the time frame you're looking at the chart. For example, I'm trading on the 5 minute. Okay, Brett, I actually have a video recorded on this. I was thinking about, so I was debating releasing it in premium learning in our Discord with our group, or releasing it public. So I have it recorded. I would have to redo it a little bit because I kind of geared it more towards the group. But I have it all ready to go for you guys. It's recorded. I did it this weekend. I just didn't know where to put it. I had so many videos I was doing. I was like, I don't know where to put this one. Friday, same. No. Sleepy. That's not what I say. That's not what I say. I always like more time. I'm a member. Put it in the member section. No. I know. I just think it's a different type of video. It applies more to everything. It's very similar to the trading before 10 video. It's like there's a right way and a wrong way to do things. So I'll give you a hint. I talk about what I'd like to call the sliding scale of risk, where on one side you have 100% of your portfolio in cash, which cash is a position and it's like risk free besides like inflation, which is not really relevant to this. And then on the complete other side, it's like you have $1 in a contract that's about to expire in 10 seconds. So there's a sliding scale of risk. And in terms of what your portfolio is, you have to adjust accordingly. So I'll figure out what to do with that video. I have it here. So I just got to figure out where to put it. Why more time if you're not holding the contracts overnight? Because you can easily, this is what you guys got to get through your heads. It's very, very, very easy to get stopped out if you're trading weeklies. Very, very, very easy if you're trading with a 10 to 15% stop loss. It could happen like this. So what you're doing is you're trying to allow yourself to hold the position and let the play out. You want it to be able to just like, you don't want to be risking like, oh, stop out there and it comes back up. That's not what you really want. You want them to be down like 3-4%. And you're like, all right, well, it's going to keep doing its thing. And then it comes back up. It hits your 10% in the green. You're like, all right, this is great. You're reading the rooms. It basically puts the whole trade in quicksand, which is good because it gives you more time to analyze it. And it's easier to get in and out if they're not moving all over the place. So you want more time on your contracts to decrease the effects of theta. Theta is a curve like this, or for you guys, it might look like this. So as you get closer to expiration, the effects of theta are exponentially higher. Do it for the group first, like a week before, then let everyone have it. Oh, we could do that. We could do that. Yeah, we could release it to the Discord first and then give it to you guys. Okay, so I'm watching AMD right now. It's rimming the 13 here. It's up nicely, up almost 2%. SPY went off a little bit of a cliff here. Let me see if there's any news that's came through. I don't think anything crazy's happened. I haven't really seen anything crazy on the news feeds yet. Yeah, nothing really. Morning SUV, base hits each day. Hold no options overnight. I sleep so much better. Yeah, guys, be more like DM Ohio. DM Ohio is an absolute fucking beast. Again, guys, if you guys haven't already either, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot. The algos over here. It's a Monday. Let's get after it, dude. Let's see. Oh, we got some slackers over here on the like button. It is a public stream today, so if you guys wouldn't mind helping out a little bit, hitting that like button helps out. Helps out a boatload. We need money. What do you think we've done for retail investors for the past 6 months? Given the ability to print money, there's still time. I mean, there's still time. I mean, what's the tree analogy? It's like the best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago, and the second best time is today. So if you guys want to hop in, you need a way to make money in the market to learn, you guys know where to go. We're the best place to come and learn how to trade. Like hands down, we have the most amount of resources for you guys. So again, and it's the first of the month, best time to join anyway. And we have Invictus coming out too. So get ready, guys. I mean, it's going to be an awesome month for you guys. And even then, it's like we still have crazy things coming. We have Pythagoras. Oh, these are going to be dirty. Meaning we need to make some money. True, Coco. True. Let's do it. Let's see. I mean, Mondays are usually a little bit like, okay, you got to feel it out. You got to let the market kind of tell you where it's going to go. No willy-nilly nonsense. Just be careful. Figure out which direction it wants to head. But SPY does look like it wants to come down. If it breaks that 408.50, I think it could sell off pretty hard. And then what you're really looking at is below 408.50, right around 408 with this little bounce here, and then way back down here at 406. What do you call it? 406.72. So those are going to be the two levels below this 408.50, and then below that, you're really looking at potentially testing that lower box at 402.50. That's kind of what you're looking at here on the SPY. If we're going to see a big red day, they could chop it around though. If there's earnings still, they could easily chop this thing around. Tesla pre-market. Yeah, Tesla's looking great in the pre-market here. Above 900. So it's up 1.3%. What was the news on it? Elon Musk may sell more Tesla stock. Oh, Tesla rips. What about Apple? So Apple could be an interesting one here. Yeah, Apple selling off here too. But I do like how AMD looks, especially with earnings coming up tomorrow. Do you plan on expanding the alerts? I'd love to get 3-minute alerts on crypto. Maybe. I mean, crypto's a little bit more volatile, so we like to kind of almost quiet down the alerts and give them a little bit more time on crypto. That's why they're 15-minute. $100 to join. I'm down. I waste that on Red Bull every week. Exactly, man. I mean, some of you guys spend that on like going to the bar. It's like you could use that money, be able to make more money. And then if you really want to go to the bar, you could have more fun at the bar with more money. Like, let's see. Were you seeing the level 406.72? Not seeing it on TradingView. I'll show you right now. It's this. No, it's this one right here. It's this flash candle all the way down. 406.78. You'll probably see it on the 5-minute if you look here. It's this one right here. 406.79. Right there, Keys. So it's not 72. It's like that 406.75 level right here. SPY coming down hard. Knifing! I love it. The white shirt is back. Don't you worry about my bar tab. All right. Well, I'm trying to help you out. Then we have people like DM Ohio that if he really wanted to, he's just like, that bar over there is now mine. Just like Omar. It's like DM and Omar are like, oh, people are buying drinks at the bar. He's like, the facility is now mine. It's like, okay. Just the amount of gays that these guys are making. It's crazy. I love it. Man. All right. Yeah, Tesla looking good. Again, people, keep hitting that like on the way in. Get some more people in here. We got about 26 minutes until market open. Let's get it going. All right. Baba's selling a little. Baba's flat now, man. So Baba, a little gap up, fill the gap in the pre-market. I think, man, Baba's. So remember, there's the Chinese delisting fears that have come up again, and I've talked about these many, many, many times. Every once in a while, like every couple of months, the U.S. will come out and say, we're going to delist China stocks. It's a weird posturing move. If they're doing weird trade deals behind, there's always something bigger going on. But they always like to say, oh, we're going to delist China stocks. It's usually based on like the way that they do their accounting. They want their accounting standards to match ours. And they just don't. And if they don't match, like line up with our accounting standards, then they're going to get delisted within a certain period of time. And they like to bring it back up every now and then. And you see these stocks just sell off really hard. So, I mean, there's money to be made on the downside. You got to be a little bit careful, though, because people, especially ahead of earnings for Alibaba, like, think about it. Like, yeah, all of this nonsense with China can, like, screw around with the current valuation of, like, Baba. But, again, their earnings are probably still going to be decent. It's Alibaba. It's like the Amazon of fucking China. Any good earnings plays, even though earnings is a gamble? I like AMD. That could be an interesting one. There's a couple other ones. Let me see. Uber could be good. PayPal actually is really interesting to me. So PayPal and Airbnb, I do really like. AMD maybe. I mean, if Robinhood's probably gonna get. I don't know. Robinhood could pop this earnings. Lucid. That's about it. That's all I would play on earnings. Did I get puts for this week? No, the chart doesn't make any sense to buy puts where it was in terms of the swings. Like if you look at the SPY, it crossed up on the daily. It's looking good on the 4 hour. You're seeing a little retest here. So if we pull SPY up on the 4 hour right here, let's look. So 4 hour on SPY, it looks like so we talked about this, guys. We talked about this exact move in the video this weekend. It's SPY has gone on an absolute moon mission. It needs to pull back a little bit. The RSI is pretty hot. And if you are getting a bit of a pullback, you could see it come right down to that 13 EMA on the 4 hour before it starts to make that move back up. That's kind of the first level that I'm looking at here. So right now that's at 406.36. It looks like it wants to head down there right now, but that's going to be the level that I would look for to be like, okay, a little bit of a cooling retest on the SPY if the trend is actually going to be bullish. If it like crosses down below the 13, you start to see it approaching the 48. It wants to break down back below on the 200, and you start to see a 4 hour shark fin. The thing's probably coming down, and the shorts are going to eat this thing up. Since you mentioned PayPal, can you look at the chart? It looks like it wants to cross on the daily. Yeah. And then you guys are talking about some other stock over here that I'll take a look at. PayPal 4 hour looks solid. Daily. Yeah, so daily has a cross here, but you have resistance at 89. Now, you do have earnings coming up. Again, also, here's the other thing. Since you have PayPal and Square earnings coming up this week, well, they're called Block now, but Square. Affirm could get a nice little move back up if these companies are going to move like that. And then you guys are talking about like MGAM. MGAM. Fuck is this thing? MGAM. You guys just look. What the? Is this like an IPO? When did this come out? Yeah, this is an IPO. It's got to be like new listing or something. Yeah, post IPO debut. Oh man. Oh boy. Oh, this is gonna die. Oh boy. Oh, this stock is gonna fucking die. Oh no. Oh boy. All right. So okay. So here. All right, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys something. And you're gonna be like, all right, this makes sense. Rivian daily. What does this look like? Okay, that doesn't help us. Hour chart. This MGAM thing is an IPO. They've done a beautiful job of balancing supply and demand on this IPO on MGAM. Mobile Global Esports. Cool, great. Is this phase? What is this? Okay, Elite Sports India. Cool, whatever. It's an IPO. Be very, 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 very careful with IPOs. Oxy's down $12. What? Scary. No. So the problem with IPOs is that they're still selling shares in. They're still creating more supply. They still are dumping into the pool. Now, what happened with Rivian? Rivian looked fucking beautiful on their IPO. This was the last IPO that we saw that was really, really, really good. They did the IPO great. Then what happens? It gets fucking mauled. Like just mauled. They have green shoe options. They can over a lot. They can do anything that they want to basically balance the price of this thing, and they will. So be very, very careful with this IPO. I am not touching this with a 10-foot fucking pole. But if you're already in it, you took a gamble, you're up a lot. Be careful now. All right, what do we want down here? BABA. We'll look at BABA at open. How much time we got left? 19 minutes. And then top right, what do you guys want? So you have to understand how IPOs work. There's no options yet. There's no real shorting, except for the basically who is selling right now, because they're technically selling off their shares. So careful with those guys. How do you change your new username to the color green if you're a 1348 member? Are you talking about on my YouTube channel, Brett, or on Discord? You want Tesla? All right, we can put Tesla up here. Tesla's in an interesting spot. I like where Tesla is right here. So Tesla's got potential upside coming up to 936. Another $30 move potentially. Yeah, different. Yeah, so Brett, it's a different membership. So if you guys do want to help support me on the YouTube channel, it's like you can join the membership here, but you definitely don't have to. Again, if you guys really want to get the best bang for your buck in terms of oh, let's support STV, but you should also be able to make a bunch of money. Or have the ability to learn the skills to make a bunch of money. Check out that link in the top of the live chat here. Again, first of the month, best time to join. We have Invictus coming. We have so many other awesome things coming for you guys. We got some really great news over this weekend too. Ooh, hold on. That's the wrong one. I didn't copy this correctly. Here it is right here. So here's that link, people. Hop in there with us. Let's do it, man. Best. And again, come test it out for a month. If you don't like it, you can always leave. But now is the best time that if you're kind of on the fence to be like, oh, this is something that I want to try. Let's do it. Hey, Porkalips, what's up, buddy? SV, I've been supporting you. Need to claim you on my taxes. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't do that. All right, let's see. What news did you get this weekend? Nothing. We're gonna be able to take everything to the complete next level for you guys, and I'm very excited once we can roll out the next kind of phase of what we're doing for you guys. It's huge, man. Kyle can recommend it. Yeah, Kyle came in. He's been in for a week and a half, and he came in the next days after, and he was just like, I made $1,500, and I'm like, damn it, Kyle. Everybody be more like Kyle. All right, let's see. Can I go over Neo? Yes, I can go over Neo. So Neo right here. No, okay. 4 hour. So it hasn't gotten the 4 hour cross on the Webull chart yet. Nope. Daily looks like it wants to cross down. Yeah, so it's just retesting this 200 EMA here at 1995. So watch that level in the market. I mean, if the market comes down, it's breaking down. So again, market is really going to determine where things are going to be headed throughout any given day. So I mean, you could see one. This is why I always have up the SPY, and I always encourage you guys to have up the SPY as well. You want a market indicator, like a not an indicator, but like a market, like an ETF or something that's going to show you what the overall market is doing, in order for you guys to see okay, this is kind of what we're looking at going into the day. True story. I know Kyle's killing it. What's Invictus? So Invictus is our new bot. It's a new alert system that is basically like taking the normal alert system that we have now and putting it on steroids. It enables you to get into some trades a little bit earlier. And it's so I've been testing it for like the past 2 weeks. It's nasty, but you have to know exactly what you are doing with normal 1348 in order to take full advantage with Invictus. It's like almost a tool that is going to benefit the people that have taken the time to really come in and learn the most. That's why we put such a heavy emphasis on learning. Again, the alerts are great. They allow you to see the market from a like a bird's eye view. But if you don't know how to use them, you're going to struggle a lot. So again, we're about like 2 weeks away. Week and a half, 2 weeks, I believe, is the time frame right now for Invictus to come out. And again, right now, first of the month, you can come get all the premium learning videos. There's about 14, 15 of them right now. All of the private live streams, get all of your questions answered. We have that live stream tonight with me, Gabe, and TMI going over the market. We provide you guys with all the tools. It's up to you, though, to take advantage of them and implement it. I should grow a mustache? Nah. Do you use TradingView for charting to make trades on Webull? I use both. So I basically use TradingView as more of like the base. So I can see everything here on TradingView. It's so I have real-time data on my TradingView. It gives me a better look at the market and these little support and resistance levels. And then for Webull, I just kind of draw them out and make them look prettier just for the way my eyes see things with these little zones. That's all I do. Good morning, SV. Good morning, Caleb. All right, guys. Again, keep running up those likes on the stream. Let's see. We got a lot of slackers over here. We got 561 people in here right now and only 200 likes. Guys, if you have not already, make sure you guys hit that like button. Helps out a whole lot over here. Today, SPY sideways vibes. I don't know. If it breaks this 408.50, you could see it come down hard. It bounced pretty much right off there. The low in the pre-market's 408.71. I'm watching BABA closely. So BABA and AMD are kind of the two that I have a close eye on. And then PayPal, Affirm, and Square are the other ones that I'm kind of looking at because PayPal and Square have earnings this week. So PayPal is tomorrow after close. Yeah, PayPal's tomorrow after close. Square Block is Thursday after close. And Affirm's going to be kind of in the mix there too. Sam Lee, thanks for the suit, or thanks for being a member, pal. Do I get my ankle icon yet? You're close. You're close, buddy. Is Invictus only for smartphones? No. It's a new alert system. Do you not follow AMC or GME anymore? No, I do. If there's nothing going on with them, though, I'm not going to sit here and bang my head against the wall and just like create frustration for everybody. I want everybody to be happy in the market, making money, having a good time. Again, at the end of the day, we want you guys making money. However it's going to be. Like, if you already have a position in AMC and GME, awesome, cool. So do we all. But it's going to go and it's going to go. And sitting here and not taking advantage of what the market is doing recently, which is providing you with so much opportunity to make money, I think is a big mistake. So that's why we're continuing to help educate retail investors. And we've never seen retail investors print in the way that we've kind of helped them along to get to. So it's just an awesome thing to see, man. Is this a public stream? Yeah, today's a little public stream today. Little public stream for a little while. Let's see. How does TLT look today? Oh, good question. We haven't really looked at TLT or oil. TLT ripping up. Oh, oil's getting slaughtered. So WTI is down 4.5. Brent's down 3.5. Natural gas down 4.8. If you go over Soxel, I'll join today. I mean, I'll go over Soxel, buddy. You don't have to like be like, well, if you go over this, I'll join. I will go over Soxel for you. The semiconductor bull. I mean, again, you have AMD earnings coming up. You've got the chip bill. Again, on the 4-hour time frame, it's levered though. I typically don't like these 3 time or 2 time. Oh, this is 3x. These levered ETFs just because of the way that they price them and how the options are going to move. They're just not for me. I would say more long-term shares if you were really bullish on the semiconductor industry. That's just my opinion though. You've got the 4-hour cross here. You've got consolidation above the 200. You got the 13 above. You have the potential to come down and basically retest this previous level that it got rejected at, which is also basically the 13 EMA on the 4-hour. So if you see a little bit of a bearish day here, you have 1903 on Soxel or 1902. That could be the level that it bounces off of. And it's at 1940 right now, already down 2%. You can tell it's public by the type of questions. Yeah, sometimes you can. All right, so we're gonna get Tessie up here for open. I do want AMD and BABA, but I'm also gonna be taking a deep look at PayPal, Square, Affirm. Just because they have earnings, so you could always see some nonsense start to happen, like fun nonsense, not like bad nonsense. Where's the link again? It's right here, buddy. So here's the link right there to join if you guys are interested. Again, best time of the month is now to join. Each day that goes by, you're getting a little bit less and less bang for your buck because you'll get charged again on the 1st. So now is kind of the time to just hop in. Is this an old episode? No. This is so 1 day a week we do public lives for everybody. All right. So let's see here. Keep hitting that like button on the way in, folks. Yeah, Baba's selling here. So the low in the 88.53. I mean, remember, if you watch the video from this weekend, which you guys should be doing, they got a lot of gems in there. Sometimes I give you some Invictus hints too, so get ready for those. So on Baba here, if you look at this on the 4-hour, I mean, you honestly could see it coming down to this level here, 80 what? 81. If it really wants to sell hard again. I mean, you got this right here, this nonsense right where it's at. So breaking what? 88.53. It's going to be dirty. So watch Baba. Alibaba. Let's see. Dude, Tessie's in a really interesting spot here. It's just rimming this 5-minute right now. The MACD's flipped, but this thing could come back up here. Let's see. All right. AMD flickering. All right. What else is there? Oil is getting killed. So if we look at Oxy really quickly, which is weird, oil is down like a lot this morning. And if you look at Chevron right here, they're only down like 1.6%. So the oil stocks aren't getting killed yet. But if you look at like USO, it's probably getting mauled. Yeah, 4% right here. Yeah, USO. And then UNG is probably dying right now too because natural gas is getting hit. Yeah, UNG is down 5%. Huh. All right. Yeah, SPY's bouncing off this little level here, but it does look like it wants to come down. So watch this. AMD starting to sell back off. And then you guys always like to look at TBLP. I covered it in the video this weekend too. Oh my God. SPY. SPY's it's just bouncing off this 408.70 level right here. It's kind of consolidating this TBLT thing. I think it's coming down eventually. You got that nice bounce off that 4-hour 200, but again, be very careful with these. Micron's another one that I want to take a look at. Yeah, Micron's not doing much here. AMD starting to pull back a little bit. Would you consider that a bear flag on the SPY on the 5-minute? Yeah, a little bit, yeah. Oh, here we go. Hold on. 5 minutes to go. Hold on. What do we want? Tessie. Let's see. Tessie. All right. Did I call out Amazon and PGY squeeze? Amazon didn't squeeze. Amazon didn't squeeze. All right, let's see. Here we go. 4 minutes. All right. Yeah, Tessie looks interesting here. Watch. I mean, breaking pre-market high 908, and then boom, off to the races potentially to right here. If it wants to go. I mean, SPY looks like it could just die here. Like just death. But we'll see. All right. Let's see. What other tickers are you guys looking at today? What's your favorite ticker going into this week, people? Let me see. What's your favorite ticker going into this week? Let me see it in the chat. Everybody let me know. What are the tickers that you guys are looking for? Let's see. AMC, you want a firm to break 27.55. AMD, AMC, TIGR. TIGR's an interesting one. Yeah. So, yeah, TIGR's another interesting one. Everybody's saying AMC. Guys, we know. We got, other than AMC. Yeah, I get it. AMC earnings. I know. We know. We all know. AB earnings, we got it. It could be interesting. Could be really interesting. Other than that, though, for trading, guys, for a trade. TBLT, okay. AMD, BABA, and SPY. Uber, yeah. Uber before open tomorrow. GovX, okay, for the monkeypox. Interesting. Oxy, another interesting one. BBY, okay. AMC, okay. Yeah, I mean, it's at a very interesting turning point here. It could go. It could end up selling back off, though. Redbox, oh, please, God, no. Target is going for the moon right now. Dude, TIGR's an interesting one. Maybe we'll flip some TIGR. TIGR HD. Where's TIGR right now? TIGR up 3. Oh, boy. Yeah, TIGR looks good. Oh, fuck. TIGR's got earnings coming up, too. So keep an eye on TIGR. It's a public stream. What did you expect? That's true. This is an AMC channel. I mean, no, it's not, but that's cool. You could think that. Let's see. Cinnamon, stop. Don't antagonize people. Yeah, TIGR looks interesting here. Cat. Oh, is Cat running too? All right, we got 2 minutes to go. Cat could get interesting today too. If we see that little rotation into like TIGR, Wally, Home Depot lows, that could be fun. TLT still running. So what does that do to the 10-year again? It always just gets jumbled up in my head. So 10-year, 10-year just went off a cliff. 264. Holy shit. That's a big sell-off there in the 10-year. All right. Maybe we'll leave TIGR up at open instead of Tessie. I mean, TIGR's got a lot more volume than it typically does, too. Yeah. What about Wally? Is Wally running? Huh. Interesting. All right. We got less than a minute to go. Wally's not doing shit here. Did TIGR get news? Upgrade from Wells Fargo. So to overweight from equal weight to, wow, big price target increase here from 155 to 195 from Wells Fargo. That's big on TIGR. That's big. Oh, ding, 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 ding. Market's open. Here we go. Okay, well, that's nonsense. This is just bullshit here. Come on. Was nobody trading it? Yeah. All right, here we go. Tiger looks like it might want to head up here. BABA, watch BABA. And then SPY at this 408.50 level. We're watching that. AMD coming back down a little bit here. And then we'll pull up Tessie for a second. Tessie. A little spicy. Tessie. Let's see. Brendan, yeah, it's the Discord payment cycles are pay as you come in. Oh, Tessie's jumping here. Tessie's jumping up. SPY coming up to that 5-minute 13 here. Tessie's getting up there. Ooh. Let's see. It already broke pre-market high. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. Nah, SPY didn't like it here. Where's Tiger? It's chilling here. Yeah, it kind of rejected there too. SPY fucking around. Where's Apple? Let's see. Yeah, AMD's coming back down. Tiger rejected here. Did Tessie get rejected back down too? Yep, Tessie rejected. SPY looks like it wants to melt here. BABA coming down. Pre-market low 80. Watch 88.53. Here comes SPY. Here Uber dying? Yeah, they have earnings pre-market tomorrow. How bad are they getting hit? You could play Lyft off Uber. Yeah, Uber crossed down and selling here. AMD came down below this little level that I have here. Yeah, SPY new lows. Airbnb dead. Oh boy. Yeah, Airbnb on earnings I think is going to be interesting. I think the spreads are shitty though, so we'd have to. Oh, Airbnb getting hit here. Uber. Watch SPY here breaking this 408.50. It wants to do it here. It's sputtering a little here. SPY back. See, right at that 408.50. So watch that level. Watch that 408.50. BABA will be it's delisting fears. BABA broke the lows. BABA's breaking lows here. Everything seems really slow on Webull right now. Yeah, everything just seems a little slowed down. All right, AMD still selling here. SPY coming back down. Watch BABA break 88. If BABA breaks 88, it might flush. Let's see. SPY moving down. All right, 88.36. AMD. Anything else you guys want to look at too, let me know. Tiger, how's this doing? Yeah, market hasn't really picked its direction yet. It bounced off that 408.50 though. All right, people, keep hitting that like button on the way in over here. Helps out a whole lot with the algos. BABA got bought right back up. SPY didn't want to come down, so it's trapped in between this 13 on the 5 and 408.50. That's what we're looking at. And firm coming back. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. GME, nice candle. Nice. Well, let's see what Jimmy's doing. Yeah, Jimmy did get a nice candle here. SPY pop back up. BABA back down. Where's Tiger? Let's see. And then Uber looked like it was dying too, but it might have gotten bought up on that. Yep. Para. We used to trade a lot of para. Say it looks the same as it's just everything's just kind of following the market now. Roku. Oh, Roku getting some action here. Roku is getting a little action. Is there news on it? No. Let's see. BABA rejected that 13. Hey, so I was telling my brother's coworker about the Discord and he wants to join and learn more about options and day trading, but he doesn't have the money right now. Would have to pay for this month if he joined. Or would he get charged on the first of the next one? No, it's pay as you come in, King Dame. There was a group of people trying to take advantage of the way that the system was working. So then we just changed the way that it worked and let everybody know in there. Tessie pop. Yeah, Tessie little pop here. BABA back down a little. AMD trying to move. Suck it up and get in. Yeah, guys, it's the best time of the month to join. So if you guys are interested, you've been on the fence, let's do it, dude. I mean, we have so many crazy things coming for you guys. It's insane. BABA selling back off here. Let's see. Yeah, here comes Tessie. SPY back down. BABA back down here. BABA is a bad bet. Which way? You think up is bad? It's flying around here. SPY needs to break that 408.50 and hold. Let's see. Yeah, and again, guys, if you guys do want to hop in, here you go. Good if you're short, BABA. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look great across the board here. It wants to break that 88 here is what we're looking at. All right. And it's flickering around. If it breaks this 88, I think it's going to sell really hard. It just hasn't done it yet. It's just kind of waiting. It just keeps bouncing off that 88. Tessie's still coming up though, which is going to help the market here. Top left is AMD. Where's Roku? Tessie new highs. Yeah, Roku's not really doing it here either. But SPY's coming back up. Watch the 200 EMA on the SPY if it wants to get above this 13. And then Apple. Apple. Oh, hello there, Apple. Let's see. Yeah, Apple's trying to come. 40% on Tesla. There you go, Wayne. Apple broke a level. Which one? Which one are you looking at here? I mean, it's trying to get above this weird pre-market high, but let's see. SV ignoring my penny stock jokes. Yes, I don't like penny stocks. Penny stocks, not for me. Not for me. All right, let's see what happens with SPY here if it wants to come up and break this 200. Here comes SPY trying to head up here. We'll put Tesla down here too to see if Tesla's going to make that run. SPY looks like it wants to get jumpy here. Watch Apple. Yeah, SPY, nice move. Apple, new highs. So watch SPY, what it wants to do here at this 200 on the 5-minute. If it rejects hard here, a lot of things are probably going to sell off. Nah, it wants to move. She wants to go. SPY's getting bought up here. SPY's getting bought up. Ah! Yeah, Apple's not moving with it, though. If SPY gets above this 48 and starts to move here, that's going to be dirty. And Apple doesn't like it here at all. 0% that Apple likes this. Intel? AMD just ripped. AMD just got a nice move to the upside here. Apple doesn't like it. Tessie still likes this here. Intel, you're saying? What's up with Intel? Intel looking good here. SPY trying. Apple doing a whole lot of nothing. Yep. Watch that 48 on the 5. If it blows up through there, it could start to get going. BABA, what's up with BABA? Did it break 88? No, it's flickering here. I don't know. SPY might get fucking irrational again here. What's the high? I mean, 410.47 is the high on SPY, or the 48, and the high is 410.49. I mean, Apple just went on a boom and a half. Any Invictus plays? No, not yet. I mean, we could look at some. It's also a public stream, so we can't really call those out here. Amazon, we could look here. BABA popping back up. Amazon, big candle here too. Things are starting to move. Oh. Hello, Amazon. Hello, buddy. Amazon's starting to get jumpy here for some reason. I don't see any news on it, but it looks a little jumpy here. Another 30% on Tesla. There you go. All right, Apple coming up here. Tesla coming up. SPY's breaking that 48 EMA on the 5-minute here. Watch Apple to new highs. Watch 163. That 163 break could be interesting. You're kind of looking at it right here, this 163.18 on Apple. SPY didn't like it here. Amazon didn't really like it. What tickers would you recommend for new traders with a small account? DraftKings, Uber, Neo, stuff like that. All right, SPY closing candle above the 200 here. Let's see. Amazon coming back down. Let's see if we get sharks here if it wants to continue back up. Yeah. SPY sharking a little bit here. Let's see. SPY's trying to hunt and break this 48 here. Amazon coming back up. Come on. Let's see. Let's see. I mean, SPY's got what? $1.60 to go green. Shark Week? It could be Shark Week. It could be Shark Week. All right. What's Amy doing? You guys keep saying AMC. Are you trading it? Like, what? Are we just going to stare at it? That's coming up here a little bit. It's got the cross. We can leave it up here for a little bit. See what's going to happen with it. Yeah. SPY back down. Amazon back down. Let's see. What's up, Ryan? How you doing? Meta going to break out from the bottom of your... Where's Facebook? Facebook trying to get back above VWAP here. SPY just fucking around at this 48. Let's see what these buyers want to do here. Which chart do you trust when we will show SPY hitting resistance at the 200 while trading view shows SPY using the trading view? Oh, here comes Apple. Hello. Oh, hello, Apple. Oh, baby. There you go. Watch that 163 break. It's getting a little jumpy here. Let's see what Apple wants to do. Facebook trying to break VWAP. Amy, I mean, it's up, what, 0.5%? Doing a whole lot of nothing. You got me to say Meta. You did. You did. Yeah. Apple looks jumpy here. I love the people that just get angry that are like, it's not on the screen. It's like, dude, it's not doing anything. We got earnings coming up. It's like, it's going to do what it's going to do. If it starts to pop off, we'll take a look at it. Wally, is Wally running? Wally. So TIGR might be getting a little move here. Where's TIGR? No, TIGR's not moving, but Wally is. Interesting. All right, you're watching that 163 break on Apple here, and SPY's just kind of hovering in here. 80% on target calls out of the gate? How'd you do that? Wally's ripping up here nicely, though. What SPY breaking and closing above that 48 would be interesting here. So what is that? 410.46. What you're looking at here. So Apple's hunting across here. SPY's hunting. Walmart pumping right now, dude. A lot of you act like we're going to miss the squeeze if it's not on the screen. Yeah, relax. We're going to make money in the meantime. Let's see. We're waiting on SPY to cross up. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, you want it to get above this 48 here to really... There it goes. New highs on SPY. There goes Apple. It's hovering right at 163 here. Let's see. SPY doesn't want to get above this. It's got a minute left, less than a minute left on this candle here. Let's see what it wants to do. Apple's hovering 163. Let's see. SPY wants it here. Neo wants to cross up to 10 cents off pre-market highs. Yeah, I mean, Wally's ripping here. Let's see what SPY wants to do within this candle here. If it wants to get sharked or come right back up. Amy's doing nothing. Zero. All right, so let's see. SPY. Let's see if it breaks some highs here. SPY's coming back up. Struggling. Is that considered a double top on Tessie? Let's look here. All right, so SPY started to move up here. Apple's not doing it though. Wally's ripping. Where is Tessie? Tesla. Double top where? No, this? No. SPY's trying to hunt this break here, but it's not really doing it. 40% on Wally. There you go. Yeah, the Wally and Tiger have been looking interesting. Learning? Yeah, no, that would not be a double top. Tessie coming back up. SPY's trying here, dude. Tesla's rimming on the 1 minute. Oh boy. Oh boy. I think, I mean, if SPY continues to break here, it'd be interesting. Apple's not helping though. Like Apple needs another one of these booms and just see those buyers step up. That 163 break is going to be important. 56% on Walmart calls in sold. Boom. There you go. They're really fighting SPY at this 48 here. And they're not letting Apple go right now. Let's see. And Tessie, remember, we have that level up here, this 936 that we could head up to. Oh, there goes SPY. Affirm. Yeah, Affirm wants to get a little juicy. Here comes the SPY. Holy fuck. All right, Apple needs to break that 163. It's struggling really hard to do this right now. Very, very hard. SPY is going here, dude. Neo and Tesla going. Neo trying to break out of the box here. SPY is headed up nicely here. Apple is just a dud right now. Look at this thing. Neo headed up. AMC starting to head up here too. Here comes SPY. I mean, SPY looks a little cooked here, like a little bit cooked. I mean, this thing is fucking irrational. It's just so irrational right now on the SPY. Like, all right, 163.11 is the high on Apple. We're breaking new highs on the SPY. Neo's jumping out of the box here. Apple's trying to break at that 163 break again. It's trying. A lot of resistance here. And SPY is just on a mission here. So SPY is trying to go green. It needs 50 cents more to go green. Apple's trying to get above there. Let's see. And, oh, Amy, nice little candle here as well. There you go. Let's see. SPY still headed up here, man. Neo looks like it wants to get a little jumpy here. Neo actually looks interesting out of this zone. Nice little cross here on Neo. Let's see. Where's SPY going to head? Where's Apple going? Amy looks good here. Come on. 12% on your Roblox call so far. There you go. All right, where's Tessie? I'm telling you, 936. 936 on the Tessie. Amy coming up. Where's AMD? Remember, we were looking at AMD earlier this morning. Nah, it's not really doing much. Neo coming back down. Oops, wrong one. Apple, Apple, Apple. Nothing. 0. And then where's Tiger? Because Tiger was the other one that we liked. Tiger's trying to move back up here. Roblox. Wow, we didn't really take a look at Roblox this morning, but we were looking at some others. So let's see. All right. Shop is rocking. Oh, Roblox does look good here. Where's Affirm with PayPal? No. Here this comes. Where's Roblox? Roblox. Come on. Roblox pumping here. Spy trying to head up nicely. Let's see. Yeah, Spy headed up nicely here. This actually looks very interesting. It's just on a little mission here, man. Looking for these highs, man. Let's see. Another 28% on Tesla. Jesus, guys. Be careful with Tessie. All right. Spy looks like to be losing a little bit of steam here. Next resistance on Spy. Pre-market high, 412.06. Neo down. Where's Apple? Not helping anybody here. Okay, so 411.50. Let's see. AMD cross. I do like AMD. No, AMD didn't cross. $130% on a Spy call. Picked out today's expiration date by accident. About to take gains. Love the channel, Michael. Good job, man. I mean, please don't be a little careful with that, man. I mean, that's not usually what you want to be doing, playing the 0 days, but 65% on Jimmy calls. Nice. Where's AMC? Is it flickering here? Is it getting a little flickery? Yeah, it's flickering. Tiger, is it running back up? It's trying here, but it's not doing a whole lot. Coin, nothing doing here. Let's see. Ford. Ford's on a mission here. Ford, I mean, this is not really a cross. It's close, though. TLT new high. 10-year coming down, man. TLT is pumping here, bro. Ooh, baby. Oh, wow. Hold on. Where is that 10-year? Oh, 10 years coming down. Also, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream on your way in over here. Helps out a whole lot with the algos. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you. Come on. Come on. There we go. Oops. Here comes SPY. 412. Apple boomed finally. Nah. I mean, it popped quickly and then it just got fizzled right out there. Oh, here comes coin. Coin getting a little juicy here. Boeing ripping. Yep, Boeing got a pop. SPY's trying to break that 412. SPY back down. It kind of flashed down to that 48 there for no reason. There must be news. I don't see anything. Nothing. Nothing on the news feeds. But SPY looks like it's hunting this cross up here. Let's see. 411.45. 50. Yeah, here it comes again. AMC trying. Boeing. Here it goes. Let's see. Some data come out on Zero Hedge. What is it? Oh, I don't have Zero Hedge notifications on. Let me look. What'd they say? Oh, ISM manufacturing. What? Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's see what SPY does here right around 411.50. I mean, it's hunting the cross. It looks okay. You got things starting to get a little boom here. Boeing looks like it wants to head up. Amy trying. Change your stream schedule again? No, guys, this is public live day. It's public live day. Let's see. SPY's flickering. Again, guys, it is also the best time of the month to join with us as well. The link's in the top of the live chat. Again, we got Invictus coming for you guys. Here's the link too if you guys are interested. Check that out. Again, we're the best place to come and learn how to trade. There's no real question about that. We have the curriculum. We got the learning. We have all the private live streams. We got the alerts. We got everything. You thought public live day was Tuesday? Nah, today it's what do you call it? It's Monday. It's the first of the month. First of the month, team. All right, Boeing popping back up. SPY looks like it wants to head up here too. Watch out for coin getting a little juicy here. There isn't much resistance on SPY. I mean, you got to break the pre-market high 412.06. Once you can do that, I mean, it's off to the races. TIGR's recovering. Not really. It's trying here. Let's see, SPY. What are you going to give us? What are you going to give us? 1348 Discord's the best 25% day P&L, SPY and AMD calls. Done for the day. STV for president. Well, not president, but thank you. I'm happy you're making money, man. A lot of people are. A lot of people are really, really changing their whole financial situation right now, which is really awesome. I mean, I don't think you're going to see anywhere else people coming in being like, yeah, I'm going to quit my job now because this is working so well. So again, if you guys are interested, you guys know where to find us. Invictus, Pythagoras, and the best video curriculum, period. 100%. 100%, Ivan. Yeah. And there's more curriculum videos coming for you guys too. I have one pre-recorded. I don't know if I'm going to release it though. It's either going to go public or it's going to go in the Discord. If it goes public, I got to re-record it, which is fine. Again, here comes Spy with another move up, hunting for a cross. We have so many awesome things coming for you guys, though, people. Like, if you guys think Invictus and Pythagoras are it, we have a lot of cool stuff coming. A lot of cool stuff coming. So, again, people, the link is in the top of the live chat. Now is the best time of the month to come in and join. And again, man, like it's you also are giving yourself enough time to really get in on like learning how to like appropriately use normal 1348 so you can take full advantage of Invictus and Pythagoras when they do come out. All right, Coinbase ripping. Spy ripping. Video curriculum is great because they're concise. Yeah, I like those. They're great. I mean, we're going to continuously add to that curriculum to make sure that you guys have everything that you need. Here comes Spy with a boom there, bro. Where's Apple? Because Apple was fighting that 163. If it got that break and run, yeah, sort of. Apple kind of got that little break and run here. Again, you're looking at Spy potentially running to 416, which would be fucking drunk, but we'll see. Spy still headed up here. Broke that pre-market high. Let's see if it run. I mean, that's a dollar move that you just saw on the Spy. The weird thing is, though, not a lot of stocks are moving along with the Spy right now as it moves up. A lot of things are like AMC's not. I mean, that's to be expected, though. And then Apple trying a little bit here, but nothing else is really doing a whole lot with this Spy move back up. Like Tesla, maybe 736. Did it hit it? No, it never hit it. So Spy's trying here, and not a whole lot of things are getting going. AMD is mooning. Oh, thank God. AMD's trying to come up on a nice little rim here. Chips are moving up. Yeah, everything's starting to move up here. Yeah, Andrew, I just saw that. Again, watch the curriculum videos. It goes through everything, buddy. It goes through everything that you would need to know on which time frame that you should be trading on and how far you should be going out. Again, just understand theta. Yeah, so I think maybe I'll release that video publicly. I think that'll help a lot of you guys. That sliding scale of risk is going to be important. Top take the Spy. Nice. Well, for now. 412. Yeah, it's flickering here a little bit. Let's see. AMD. I mean, Spy's just moving a little bit irrationally here off of that news. Any thoughts on Tessie? Yeah, I mean, again, it did hit. It basically hit it. It's 935.63. So it came up to that little resistance level here that we were looking at. Honestly, on Tessie, it could come back up and retest this level here. You're coming down to VWAP right now. I'd be a little bit careful with it. It's already up 3.6%. Careful on Tessie. It wasn't specific Spy news. It was ISM manufacturing, I believe, is ISM manufacturing 52.8, expected at 52. So it beat a little there. Spy's about to get this cross up here. You're still above pre-market high, or you're right at pre-market highs here. Nvidia going up. Let's check Nvidia. Did it get across because it was down? Oh, there it is. There's Nancy over here just pumping. Yeah, Nvidia's ripping up here. Let's see. Yeah, Nvidia's getting jumpy. Spy. Let's see what they do with it here. Nvidia is just on a mission right now. Careful with it though. I mean, you missed the cross back here. Apple. Is Apple breaking out here? Yeah, a little bit. Nothing crazy though. Like nothing crazy's happening here. Oh, there goes coin. Watch 63 on coin. If SPY holds here, Nvidia comes up, all these things start to get going. Watch 63. SPY crossed on the 5. It did. SPY crossing on the 5. Nvidia is just going on a mission right now. It feels a little chasey here, especially with Nvidia, but just be careful with it. I mean, the chips are looking interesting in general. Affirm? Where's Affirm? Affirm's coming up to that resistance level, 27.51. 50% on Roku. Thanks, 1348. There you go. There you go. Where was Roku? Roku was looking good to the upside there for a bit. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, Nvidia is still up there. Coin's looking interesting here too. Apple pop, AMD pop. Okay, hold on. Okay, so AMD looks good. Apple. Yeah, Apple pop in here. I think we're gonna need to do a little reboot once we yeah, coin moving now. There we go. Yeah, AMD running up. Earnings tomorrow after hours, so get ready for that. Little earnings run up here. Apple 163. It broke. Well, here comes coin. If SPY comes up to highs 412.85, it's looking like it could get a little spicy here. Coin moving a little slow, but we'll see. Invictus is watching Disney, Baba, Microsoft. No buy-ins yet. Yeah, let me hold on. Yeah. Oh, fucking coin going here. There we go. There we go on Coinbase. Haha. Come on, break 63. SPY stuttering here a little bit. 30% on SPY calls. Nice. Yeah. I mean, Apple's trying to break. Apple is very, very, very slow today. So coin rejected 63 just now. SPY is stuttering a bit. AMD still looking good here. Yeah, there goes SPY again. Watch that day high, 412.85. You're what, 30 cents away from that? Did I trade Tesla this morning? No, I didn't get any Tesla this morning. Yeah, coin looks like it could get spicy here. Maybe not. It just moves so strangely. You need to break like this, I mean, nonsense candle here. It's basically the top. Yeah, Apple chugging along. SPY on this cross is moving up nicely. Like it's just slow. And you haven't seen the shark candle. It's just, you got to be careful because that shark candle could just come and just be like, oops, bye-bye. Unless it just wants, I mean, AMD's running here. AMD is looking actually really juicy here. So it has earnings tomorrow. You could be seeing a little bit of an earnings run up just based on people a little bit more excited on their earnings coming out. So here we go on coin, trying to break that 63 again. Yeah, it doesn't like it here. SPY not really getting up there. So coin is kind of 63.01 new highs. Nvidia's moving to, yeah, Nvidia's moving up here too. So all the chips are getting a little bit of a boost. Where is Intel? Intel's running. Oh, coin just got a nice boom there. We'll put Nvidia down here. It just feels chasey right now. It's just not something I really want to get involved in when it feels like you're chasing them up. Watch this on SPY. This could be the stutter move down. Or it just irrationally rips. Made a playlist of the 1348 curriculum to listen to while on my daily walks. The more I listen, the better I get. That's what the curriculum's for, buddy. There you go. My first positive trade was Neo on Friday, up 27%, but your boss called by the time you got to that. Yeah. You gotta, I mean, if you guys are working and you know that you're not gonna be able to sit at the screen at a specific time or something happens and you got a call, it's like you probably shouldn't have open positions if you can't watch them. Coins hunting new highs. Oh, that was a fucking rip there. Let's see here. I think we may be in for a significant SPY pump this week. They could. I mean, we'll see what happens with it. Yeah, SPY moving back down here. All right, people. Again, now is the best time to get into. You guys know where to find us. Come in over there. 1348. There's the link. Let's see. Oh, Coin Shark, Spy Shark. Let's see. Yeah, SPY moving back down here. Nvidia's still pumping. It's coming up to that resistance level here. Watch Nvidia come up to resistance, and then we'll see what happens with it. Let's see. Look, there is no. I highly doubt they're gonna do something like that. That's nonsense if they did that. Like complete nonsense. What do you mean by shark? It's just shark fins. Like it looks like a shark fin on the chart where it just goes and then comes right back down, which is what I could potentially see happening with Nvidia here. These are just cooked. If the SPY is going to come back down, it wasn't able to break new highs here. You could end up seeing a little 5-minute rim here. Can you teach not how to not get faked out like you just did on the SPY? Well, you have to look and see what the SPY has done before the cross. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, a lot. This is a big move. Where did it go from 409 to where the cross was at 411, a $2 move? You're waiting for a retest. Now, if you saw it up here and you were like, oh, nice, buy the SPY. Look at the distance between the 13 on the 5 up here and then the price, like where it was at 412.60 and then all the way back down at 410. Like it's there's too much of a gap there to play with. So you need it to be able to have that room to retest a little bit here. So things are moving back down now. Let's see. So, but we go over all that type of stuff, guys, in the curriculum, in the videos, in the live streams, in our chats every single day. And again, now's kind of the best time, people. We got Invictus coming. Coin, oh no, yeah, Coin sharked right back down to the 200 here. Nvidia hold from over Friday, 74% gain. Dude, the amount of money that you guys are making with 13 foot, it's insane. It's awesome. Congratulations, guys. All right. Wally sharks, for example. Yeah. Wally. Yeah, that's a shark on Wally. Bob. Oh, is Baba slipping? Hold on. Did Baba slip 88? No, Baba. I don't like Baba today. It needed to slip that 88 to the downside, and it just never did. And then it just bounced right back up. That's why I wasn't getting Baba at these levels coming down because it just kept flickering right around 88. Will you be posting videos on how Invictus will work soon? Yeah, those will be in the Discord for you guys. Tessie just died. Tessie on that move up here. It's rejected like within 40 cents of where I told you it was going to. So, Vix, I really appreciate you and Gabe. I've learned a lot about chart reading and working on controlling emotions. I talked about Micron in Discord and killed it this morning. 120%. Thanks, bro. Nick, anytime, buddy. That was all you, man. You just took the teachings that we give you and then you just applied it. That's the way to do it, man. Let's see. All right. So Gabe is going to be coming on, guys, in a couple of minutes. He's going to be coming on at about 10:30. So we're going to be wrapping up this morning live right here. Again, guys, now is the time if you guys do want to get in. It's the first of the month. You get the most value out of everything. You get the whole month. Come in and test it out for a month. You get Invictus. You get all the learning videos. You get all of the private live streams, the alerts, multiple time frames, the charts, the options data. Invictus is coming. Trader Joe, our algorithm that's already out there. So again, the link is in the top of the live chat. I will see you guys in there. We do have another live stream tonight. So you guys actually get 4 live streams today. These 3 during the day are going to be public because it's public live day, but make sure you guys are coming to the private one tonight at around 8:20-ish. So again, guys, there it is right there. Hop in there with us. Change the whole entire way that you're looking at the market. It's never been easier trading with 1348. So again, congratulations to those of you guys that are already in there. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace.